selector playing up a storm as a party animal, but with some serious doubts about the direction of dancehall. Kurt Riley picks up where he left off last Friday.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and come wine till you broke off your back. Found myself a cheerleader.
Kurt Riley asking a good question.
What is the last breakout song that Jamaica had in the last 10 years? And I don't mean popular, because popular and hit is two different things.
Oh, what you talking about? When I don't grind me, talk them until you launch up another beer.
The whole way boy you can know a song called popular. But go outside of Jamaica and see what I'm telling. Nobody know it.
Call me in.
It happened because we don't support each other. Press a button, stream it, buy it. It is more about, I guess the views is nice and the likes is nice, they get the money off of streaming, but at the end of the day, if you're an artist that have 5 million people following you, why you can't sell 10,000?
That figure generous, even Coffee's EP Rapture, as well as new albums from Cartel and Skillibeng, among others, all registering low sales. The reliable sellers, still the names we all know.
Sean, Shaggy, Marley, to name a few of them. Because of the work they did in the past, they're in a mechanism and they're in a system that cut out for them because they did the work. I mean, you're talking about people who will get up 6 o'clock in the morning or do an interview. I know artists out there who people call them 6 o'clock in the morning and tell them they're asleep. The work ethic. If you want to be a superstar, you need a superstar attitude, my G.
From a dog, them show me the game. My life get changed, me not chop some change.
I can hear the creativity in them brain. You understand? A lot of them, really and truly, their songs cannot play on radio. I understand that. But if you are fair to them and look at the creativity part of them and the artistry that them have and the way they choose to put them words together, you know some of them bad.
But does it make sense to be making music that has to be edited to get radio play?
All the songs them were around the road, if there were radio-friendly versions of the music, them get more traction. I'm not sure if a lot of producers and artists are aware of this. A lot of songs cannot play between 5 a.m. and 9 p.m. because of broadcast commission, something called watershed. So if the content's a bit too graphic, we can't touch it. And it is sad because the song them bad. And some of us will go ahead and re-edit them ourselves and get creative with it and may get away with it because our bosses don't really catch up, say we'll do that still. And the boss don't know really original version, so them feel say, yeah man, everything Chris. But what happened when them catch up on it?
All some people are interested in is social media.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think they care. Maybe to them radio is not important. Radio may not have its value, but it still has its place. Because if it never have its place, it would have end. The DJ sales wouldn't use radio, Supreme Ventures wouldn't use radio, Grace Kennedy wouldn't use radio, Sanders wouldn't use radio. That means it has its place. We need to take advantage of it. And you want to take advantage of it? Make radio-friendly versions of your music and watch it change.
In one ear, out the next. Or maybe someone's actually listening. Let's hope so. Meanwhile, some of Jamaica's best producers, Russian and Stephen McGregor, come to mind, long departed from the rat race in Jamaica.
I saw it coming with both of them. And I can't blame them because as a producer here in Jamaica, you have to have faith to deal with some of them artists. God knows. And them wicked when them ready. I call it an opportunity for who is here to step up. We just need to step up with game, step up with production, step up how we do business, and the step up attitude. Like I said, why an artist in Jamaica itself cannot sell 100,000 copies of him records? Even just press a button online and just download it and buy it. You spend so much money for buy credit. You can't spend a few dollars and just buy a guy's song.